welcome back to my channel, The Glam Factor. This is Andarika. So today's video is going to be a Shein haul. So I have shopped quite a lot of products from Shein during the lockdown, and I just thought why not share it with you guys what all I have purchased from there. And also I know that Shein is going to get banned in India, and that breaks my heart into million pieces. But we can't help it, it has to be. But I thought why not share my last Shein haul with you guys, and here it is. So I really hope you guys will enjoy watching this, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started with today's haul. Here I have this many products. And also I've bought some accessories from Shein. So let's get started. So I'll be starting it off with clothing. So I have bought a lot of tops from Shein this time, and the first top here is this one right here. So here's the first top. This is a very cute and pretty mock neck rib knit top. Quality of this top is really very good. Like, the material of this top is really summer friendly. Like, it's really soft and wearable during the summers. And I really like the color of this top. Like, it's so pretty and cute. Like, all pastel, and I'm a sucker for pastel, so I really love this top a lot. This fits really well. Like, it's not too tight or too loose if taken according to your actual size. So I really love this top a lot. It's so pretty and cute. Like, I really love it. Let's move on to our next top. So our next top is this one right here. This top is so much funky and cool. Just look at that print. It's so nice. So it's a high neck popper printed top. Like, just look at that print. It's so good. Basically a tank top with high neck, and it's super wearable for summers. So this top fits you really well, and also the material of this top is really good. Like, it's super soft, and I just love the print of this top. I took this top just for the print of this, and also the high neck, which is super trendy. And yeah, I love this top. So my next top is this one right here. Like, it's one of my favorite top amongst all. Just look at that neckline. It's so good. So this top has Babe written on its center, which looks super cute and cool. So it's a contrast trim rib knit crop top, and it's in the size XS as well. And I really love the fit of this top, and also the neck of this top looks so good on body. And I really love the quality of this top. Like, it's super soft and wearable for summers, and also during winters you can wear it. So here's our next top. Let's see. So this is our next top. Just look at how cute and pretty this top looks with those sunflowers in it. And the color of this top is so pretty and cute. I'm just obsessed with this top. So it's a lettuce trim powder blue sunflower embroidered crop top. Just look at that, how cute this top looks. And also the quality of this top is really good, and it's super soft, and I just love the color of this top. Like, it's pastel and blue, and I just love this top. So I took this top in the size XS, and it fits me really well. I really love the trim in it. Like, it's lettuce trim, and it looks super pretty and cute. Here's our last top, and my favorite top. I mean, just look at this top. Like, it's so gorgeous and pretty. Just look at that. And the sleeve of this top is the main attraction about this top. Like, it's so pretty. So it's a mesh balloon sleeve top with polka dots all over it. So yeah, this top fits me really well, and it's in the size XS. That were all the clothing that I got from Shein this time. So let's move on to our accessories part. So I have got some accessories as well as some beauty stuffs from Shein this time, and yeah, let's see what all I have got. It's the Shein 3 portable eyebrow trimmers. Like, I use this trimmer for shaving my entire face, and these are of really good quality. So they come in a packaging like this. So you have to open the razor like this, and this is how the blade of the razor looks like. They are not super sharp and also not super blunt as well. Next stuff that I got from Shein is this one right here. So it's a makeup remover clean sponge. So this is how the sponge looks like. It's super soft and it has the pineapple body type. I have seen this clean sponges all over the internet and I was like, I need to try this out. The next beauty stuff that I got from Shein is this beauty sponge right here. I have literally started using this, like as you can see, it's all foundation over there. Like I am super impressed by the quality and the way this blends my foundation and my face. Like it's one of my favorite purchases from Shein. It doesn't absorb a lot of product. It's a super cute hair brush. This is a super cute cat ear hair brush. So as you can see, it has this cute cat ears on it, and it's super pretty and cute. Just look at that. So the bristles of the brush is really of good quality and they don't seem to fall off really quick. And that were all my beauty stuffs. Now it's time for our accessories. So I have bought 2 accessories from Shein. So let's see what those are. So the first accessory that I'm going to show you guys is this one right here. So it's a hoop earring. So it's all golden and it has baby written over it, which looks super pretty and chic. So the last thing that I got from Shein is this one right here. So this is a gorgeous choker necklace. Just look at this. And it looks super blingy and stunning in real. Like I just love this choker necklace a lot. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And yeah, let's meet up in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.